Okay, it is now time for part 2, and we are going to create a sphere similar to this one. So I've got 2 different colors in my hands, and I think I'll start out with the pretty pink color. Okay, I know there's 3 spheres, but we're going to do something different on the last sphere. So the first thing that I like to do is start at the bottom. And again, I'm using my oval strokes. I kind of want to lay out my values. And if you remember from Art 1, we did this, I cannot even tell you how many times, but we would start out with our 6B or ebony, then we would move on to 4B, then we would move on to 2B, then B, then HB, and then 2H, and we would be using our blenders to do this. Okay, so it's very light, but I have almost everything just kind of laid out because I really want my light values. And then I'm going to go back in, and I went with light pressure. I'm going to go back in with some medium pressure and really lay out these values. It's already starting to pop and look a little bit more three-dimensional. And I'm also changing my pressure as I move upward. Okay, then I go back to my heavy. Okay, there we go. There we go, still working. Colored pencils really take an awful lot of patience. Okay, you can't just take it like you would take a crayon, in kindergarten and just color the whole thing in and say, I'm done. I remember my boys used to do that. They would only like one color. One of them used to color everything blue. One of them used to color everything red. The other one didn't care. He used all the colors of the rainbow, and he is my child who is our best artist. So go figure. All right, so I'm just going to keep blending and blending and blending until I get this completely colored in as best as humanly possible. So when you finish one sphere, I am going to ask that you go to the next one and do the same thing, but with another color. And then the very last sphere, I want you to try and use 3 to 5 different color pencils to create value after watching the video that Mrs. G is going to show you in class. So here you go. I am almost done. And nope, still got some white spaces. Still need to keep blending. Still need to keep blending. There we go. There's a little bit more over here that I did not blend in. So again, this should take a bit. This is not, something that you do crazy fast. I'm still working on the first sphere. And I have 2 more to go. Okay. So there you go. 1 sphere done. And then here's another color with the exact same thing. So finish the sphere with another color and then use 3 to 5 colors in this sphere. And then when you are finished using the Prisma Color Colored Pencils on this colored pencil shading worksheet, take a picture and turn it in on canvas.